a material witness on an aggravated battery.
Bomb in place.
I have a material.
Yeah! Yeah! Are you kidding me?
Oh, I'm the best.